All right, 15. Going to be graphing. We're going to have two of these guys. They're just absolute values, and they're directly related to these guys. That just these guys are not V-shaped, and these guys are. These guys are not functions. These are just images, and this guy is a function. But remember, she will be. This is the home. This is what the parent function looks like. Okay, and then we're going to change her. Okay, now first of all, I see -3, so that means we go to the right 3, and -4 on the outside is a down 4. So you gotta remember that. Okay, so to the right 3 and then down 4. That's where the vertex is going to be. But we do have a negative in front of the V, so this means that it's going to be facing downward. Okay, that's her. Okay. Next, this is actually a left 2, and now we got a -3 in front. Now we'll worry about that in a second. Let's go left. Okay. Now -3 means I'm going to be pointing downward, and the slope has changed. I'm going to be going down 3 over 1. Okay. But because it's a V shape, this guy's going to go down 3, but to the left now. Now normally we don't go to the left, but for a V shape, that's what we need to do. This is all you need are 3 points right here. Okay. All right. This guy is a negative f of x, which means all of our y coordinates have to become different. If they're positive up here, they will now become negative, and if they're negative here, they'll become positive up here. So this guy will go here. That's r. In fact, you can call that r prime. This guy's going to be 4, so here he is. He's s prime. And he's 3. That's t prime. And then u is actually on the other side here. That's u prime. Okay. And what we'll do is we'll just connect the dots, make sure that we get this guy going. Okay, and it should look symmetrical. All right, and that's it. And you don't have to label them primes even. I don't care. But it's kind of good to kind of keep track of it. Okay, this guy right here looks like this is going to go to the left 3 and then up 1. So let's go to the left 3. Let's go A. 1, 2, 3, up. Okay, there's A prime. 1, 2, 3, up. There's B prime. C is 1, 2, 3, up. There's C prime. And then finally, 1, 2, 3, up. There's D prime. Okay, now it should look very similar. In fact, this is called an isometric transformation because he doesn't change his shape. Okay, same with them. They don't change their shapes. They're just either reflected or they just translate. Okay, and that's your final answer for this guy. All right, now for this one, state of something is arithmetic. It means what we're looking for is it going up at a consistent value? If it doesn't, then something's wrong. Now I can look at this guy here, and this guy's going up, he's going down by 1, and then he immediately goes down by 4. Now that right there, just stop. This had to be -1 in order for this guy to be arithmetic. So this is a no immediately. And then you can clearly see that going from 6 to -24, you're going down 18. So like forget it. Okay. Now let's see about this guy. He's going up 7. Okay, he's going up 7. So far so good, but they all have to be up by 7. So luckily this guy is also up by 7. So if one of them is not going up the way that it should, then it will actually not be arithmetic at all. Okay, and you would just circle no. So these guys are going to be pretty easy, but we haven't had one of those questions really. Okay, we just kind of assumed that it was going to go up the same amount every time. Which means this guy, we can't use these formulas. If it's not arithmetic, the formulas are dead. Okay? All right. Last two for this video. I want the 50-second term. All right. Well, let's figure out what this is. He's going down by -2. Or down by 2. 3, sorry. Going down by 3 every time. Which means my A is -35, my A1. My N, well, I want 52. And I don't know what my A sub N, I want that guy. But I know my common difference is -3. Okay? So that's the guy I'm looking for. So if that's it, then I just use this formula right here. I'm looking at negative 35 minus 4, and then 52 minus 1. That formula, make sure you put that on your flashcard and maybe do a couple flashcards, your note card. Okay, negative 35 minus 4 times, I'm going to go ahead and just put 52 minus 1. And it looks like negative 239. Did I do that right? I probably messed up. Oh, because I put 4 instead of 3. Okay, my bad. Do that again. There we go, negative 188. Okay. All right, now this guy, same thing. We want a 52. And it looks like we're starting with, oh my, this guy's finally going out. That was one of my favorite pens. All right, 27. Then he's going up by 10, and we're looking for 52, okay? So start with 27, goes up by 10, and we want the 52nd term, so we want way down there. So 27 plus 10 times 52 minus 1, and we're going to get 537, okay? And that is it. Almost finished.